This is the future. A smart meter that doesn't just provide the data so that your energy supplier can send you a bill. Smart meters tell you how much you're using, how much it's costing, and how you can save on energy and costs. You don't think it would work? But it does.
There are many pilots and then also national rollouts. France now, it's a little known fact, but France lowers its national energy peak by 4% solely through residential demand response programs. Smart meters are very positive support in a demand response program because of the information they can offer, the consumption information. They can also say when the prices go up. So, of course, the smart meters don't, but the feedback displays can do that.
Smart meters are part of the European Commission's plans to cut Europe's energy consumption by 2020. The most important parts appear in Article 8 and Annex 6 of the proposed Energy Efficiency Directive. But in interinstitutional negotiations, the Council, made up of Europe's energy ministers, has been trying to water it down.
Listening to the debates and what's going on in the Council, and at the end of the day, you need an agreement between the Parliament and the Council on this. If the Council doesn't move from this very stringent position they've got right now, there's a very real danger that you could have an energy efficiency directive that's so watered down it almost becomes meaningless.
At this workshop organised by ESMIG in Brussels, delegates learned the results of field trials. Do consumers find smart meters easy to use? Does it affect the way they use energy? And do they keep it up when the trial is over or simply lose interest over time?
Where evidence had been found, and actually researchers had done work, there was an average saving of consumers of about 8.5% was seen as the average saving that consumers made. And not only that, it was because we could look at it over maybe 2 or 3 years, the actual savings, although varied a bit over time, didn't go away.
And yet EU governments seem keen to avoid a European commitment that might have cost implications. If the Council's changes were to go through, against the wishes of the Commission, the European Parliament and the industry, the cost would be far higher because the savings offered would be much, much less.
Oh, by far, yes, significantly less. But as I said, I do hope that there is still a scope for a compromise, and there will be some possibilities to give the meaning of some of the existing already provisions, both in the Council text and the Parliament text.
EU energy ministers could be throwing away the chance to save the EU billions in imported energy costs. The information provided by smart meters has been shown to change behaviour, persuade people to use power at different times of day, lessening the load on the grid, so they can save the customer and the country money.
Just think about 8.5%. We did some analysis. If that happened in the UK market, for example, that will be an annual saving of around about £1 billion a year. If that was actually saved, every consumer made a saving of 8.5%. It'd be around about £1 billion.
The battle's not lost yet by any means, but winning this one will help the EU to meet its 2020 targets. It'll be good for the industry, for consumers, for governments, and for the environment.